So for this deliverable, we are going to read the output voltage from the potentiometer from last week, and then use that voltage to cycle through the 5 LEDs. So plugging this in, figures out how to do that. Come on, you can do it. There you go. So all these sequences are in order. So essentially, the first sequence for 0 to 1 volts is exactly what it is, and then it increments from 0 to 1, 1.01 to 2, all through all the sequences. So turning up the voltage for, so now we're at 1, which is the second sequence of 13542. The third voltage, or the third range, which is up and down 1 to 5, and then 5 back to 1. The fourth voltage, which is double, so everything comes on, blinks twice. And then finally the fifth voltage, since there wasn't a fifth voltage listed, that is just all on or all off.